Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm making a love and murder. This cocktail is in a typical sour format of spirit, sour, sweetener. It's a split base sour utilizing Green Chartreuse and Campari, a very unlikely pairing. Usually both these ingredients are used as small modifiers in cocktails, like 15 ml, half an ounce. But this one, it's 30 ml, 1 ounce of each ingredient. And these two ingredients, Campari and Green Chartreuse, can be very polarizing for some people. You've got those strong, potent, herbaceous notes of the Green Chartreuse, which sits at 55% in comparison to that bracing bitterness of Campari at like 24% roughly. And then you're combining the two. On paper, this shouldn't work. I have my hesitations, but who knows? It could work. The recipe came from liqueurs.com, and they said it was beautiful and balanced, but I did read some of the comments on that particular post, and some people disagreed. So I'm keen to try it and find out if it is a balanced cocktail. This one comes from bar director Nick Bennett at Porchlight in New York. And apparently the name was inspired by a Broadway show, something of the love and murder, or it's inspired by a Broadway show. That's all I know. Okay, let's get on to making the cocktail. 30 ml, 1 ounce of Green Chartreuse. And for those in Australia, I mentioned it last time, you can now get small bottles, which are super convenient. But if you're going to be making lots of love and murders, then you'll need a big bottle anyway, because you just like fly through chartreuse, if it's a good cocktail. 30 ml, 1 ounce of Campari. So you think by mixing these two ingredients, you'd sort of come out with a murky brown looking drink, but apparently it's really bright and red, according to the imagery. 30 ml, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Yeah, to me, on paper, this sounds like it does have a considerable amount of sugar, because you've got a bit of sugar in the chartreuse, the Campari, and obviously the simple syrup. 22.5, 3/4 ounce of 1:1 simple syrup. And then saline solution. This is 5 parts water to 1 part kosher salt. 4 drops. And according to liqueurs.com, this is a crucial ingredient. Brightens up the citrus and kind of balances out the bitterness of the cocktail. So add ice and shake for 12 to 15 seconds. And into a chilled coupe glass it goes. This particular one, I have no idea where it came from. I've had it for quite a while, just like a little vintage coupe. It's no name brand or anything. Double strain. So this is why I have my doubts on some particular websites when you check them out. This cocktail on liqueurs.com was this like bright red color, like literally the color of Campari, but it's more like a jasmine, which is what I thought it would come out looking like. But anywho, let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. It's not as sweet as I was expecting. It is a sweeter cocktail, but I think you need that sweetness to balance out the full ounce of lime juice and those bitter herbaceous flavors. It is sweet. It's got a lot of flavor. It's the herbaceous notes of the chartreuse that are the most dominant in this cocktail. And because of the amount of sugar, I don't think you could have more than one of these, really. I mean, considering the ingredients, I'm impressed with this cocktail. The fact that it works as well as it does with Green Chartreuse and Campari is a win for me. If you have a bottle of each, make sure you try it at home and let me know in the comments below what you think and if you think it's a winning cocktail. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers. Fast forward to 2 minutes later, I've consumed the whole drink and I'd like to retract some of my statements. It's actually, I could 100% have a second one of these. It's complex. It's a good drink. Let me know what you think.